This is the Navage Nasal Irrigation System, and I'm going to show you briefly how it works without using the salt pod. So you've got your top section here, your solution's going to be there's your fill line, and it's going to be pushed through the sinuses and out down in this catch basin here, so you get to see what comes out. You can see these little arrows here, so this is actually going to do this side. It's going to push the water out through here, the right nostril, and then as you can see the arrow over here on the left is going to be sucked out through the other side and down into the basin. So that's how that works, and how you use it without the salt pod. So you're going to open it up here, and you can see I've placed a zip tie right over that button. So you can use a smaller zip tie than what I've used, and you're going to have it, you can cut it there and have it right around that button. And then what you can do is you fill up your solution with your distilled water, your herbs, etc., whatever you're going to put in there, binders. And then this button here, when you're going to go close this door, you have to wait till it's 3/4 of the way shut. Then you press that button. Did you hear that click? And then you're going to click it shut. And then this button here allows the device to run. So you have to hold this while the water's being pushed through the sinuses. So you have to hold it down the whole time. And that's how you use the Navage without the salt pod.